Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it's a matter of any place, anytime. This afternoon, we could begin to see showers and thunderstorms popping up. We're getting a lot of heat now, and temperatures already running well into the upper 80s, already close to 90 degrees. And with all the available moisture is just sitting here, it's going to fire those thunderstorms up as we get into the afternoon and evening hours. Right now, though, things are very quiet on First Alert Live Doppler radar, but it'll be probably even before this show is done, we'll start to see some isolated showers popping up, and some of these will be approaching us from our south as we've got a little weak outflow boundary that's a little bit south of the Nashville area. We think that's where the best development is going to be. And then those will be moving northward as we go through time into the afternoon and evening hours. With the very tropical air mass that we have sitting over us and it being heated up and superheated at that, 89 degrees already here at 11 o'clock in the midday of south central Kentucky. With any storms that form, they could produce some very heavy rainfall in a short amount of time, so keep that in mind this afternoon. Now, the rain chances over the next 7 days show signs of promise here because it's been a while since we've had consistent chances for showers and thunderstorms. 40% that you'll see those showers this afternoon, but it goes up to 70% for tomorrow. And then after that, kind of a 30 to 40% chance each and every day the rest of this week and into the weekend. Now, certainly that doesn't mean everybody's going to get wet, but tomorrow, certainly your best bet, 70% coverage. In other words, you will have a 70% chance of getting rained on tomorrow, and that's some of the best odds we've had in a while. Current temperatures now showing 90 in Greenville, 89 up in Hartford. You've got 89 in Scottsville, 85 Edmonton, Hodgenville, 87 over in Campbellsville and Columbia, 87 in Madisonville. Throw in a 72-degree dew point, and man, it makes it feel pretty bad outside as far as heat index numbers. It feels like it's 95 in Hartford, Greenville, Calhoun. 94 is what it feels like in Madisonville. And those temperatures will continue to climb into the afternoon. Some heat index temperatures may even reach close to 100 before the day is done and we get those pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Right now, we're not seeing things building very high in the sky. You can look at these clouds and see they only go up so far, but there's a lot of starting to get a little more forcing going on with that front approaching from our west, and then the daytime heating itself will give rise to the possibility of these showers and thunderstorms just popping up any place, anytime. 89 now, but it feels like 93, so if you're going to be outdoors this afternoon, well, just changed. 88 now feels like 92. That's the real-time data coming in from the Mesonet sites. Southwest wind at 9, 52% humidity, falling barometer. If you're outdoors this afternoon, slap on some UV protection, and of course, don't overdo it. It's a very humid atmosphere. Mammoth Cave National Park looking good right now. Your temperature at 87. Greenville starting to see some building clouds in Muhlenberg County. You're at 91 degrees there. Munfordville, you're mainly sunny. Your temperature at 88 up in Hart County. And we're seeing a few more building clouds now in Russellville. You're at 89. It's 90 at the Bowling Green Airport. In fact, we are one of the hottest temperatures thus far around the regional airports over parts of the Ohio and the Tennessee River valleys. In fact, we're pacing 4 degrees warmer than we were at 11 o'clock yesterday. Radar over the last 12 hours, we've been pretty much void of any organized shower activity, but now we're starting to see some renegade showers down in the Tennessee Valley, and all this that fell apart this morning is starting to refire back to the west. That's along and ahead of that cold frontal boundary that'll be making its way eastward as we go through time. We've got a boundary out east of us. It's kind of a quasi-stationary front that'll be moving more as a warm front away from us the next couple of days, but that warm sector will be right over southern Kentucky with the heat of the day, pop-up showers and thunderstorms, and maybe even some heavy rain tomorrow with a little bit more coverage than what we'll see today, thanks to the approach of that cold front that's back west of us. So we're hoping, and we could use some rain here, some badly needed rain. We could use 2 or 3 days of good soaking rainfall, but I don't see that happening in this forecast. Partly sunny, chance of scattered thunderstorms this afternoon, 93, 72 tonight with a chance of showers. And then tomorrow, The best chance at 70% that you'll get rain and a high of 86, and 86s hold true Wednesday and Thursday, into the upper 80s as we get into the weekend, and continued chances for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.